In the hustle and bustle of daily life, losing valuable possessions can be a recurring frustration. Enter the LocTag LT1 wallet tracker, a technological beacon promising to end the scavenger hunt for lost items. In this video, we delve into the features that make the LocTag LT1 a guardian against the woes of misplaced wallets. The LocTag LT1 comes with a compact and lightweight design having thickness of 1.8 mm that fits seamlessly into a wallet without adding unnecessary bulk to the tracking device. The small leather card holder also comes with this device, so you can save it from scratches and breakage. You can connect LocTag Wallet Tracker utilizes a strong Bluetooth signal with nearby Apple devices, such as iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, and Apple Watches. This LocTag Wallet Tracker equipped with sleek battery having 3 years life cycle. With iOS 17, you can share your LocTag with up to 5 people. This means that commonly used items like a handbag, a bike, or your family house keys can be easily tracked by friends and family members. But before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.
Today I'll be trying out the LocTag LT1. This innovative tracking device is designed to help users easily track and locate their valuables. It uses advanced positioning technologies and operates just like an Apple AirTag, giving you precise location with an easy-to-use experience. It's got a sleek and compact design, just like a credit card, making it easy to slip into wallets, handbags, and other belongings. The LocTag connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and it works seamlessly with the Find My app on Apple devices. The wallet tracker utilizes a strong Bluetooth signal to connect to nearby Apple devices. Through the extensive Find My network, the LocTag will communicate its location to iCloud, enabling the Find My app to display its real-time position on a map. Now you can easily track all your belongings and know their precise location. With iOS 17, you can share your LocTag location with up to 5 people. This means that commonly used items like a handbag, a bike, or a family vehicle can easily be tracked by friends and family members. The leather luggage tag is great for traveling or simply putting on your handbag. The LocTag fits in securely, and it even has a nice leather buckle to help attach it to your bag. Connecting the LocTag and the Find My app is an easy process. Add a new device, and the LocTag will be identified instantly. If it doesn't show up automatically, make sure the LocTag is on by pressing and holding the button for 5 seconds. Once it's set up in the Find My app, you'll know the LocTag's precise location at all times. With the Find My app, locating your LocTag is a breeze. Simply trigger the sound feature to make it emit a sound that's 30% louder than any AirTag. You can even ask Siri to locate the tag or play a sound. Tracking your personal belongings, like your vehicle, has never been easier. Simply place a LocTag inside your car, and you'll have 24-hour access to your vehicle's location right on your cell phone. I keep a LocTag on my electric scooter, so I know its location at all times. In the unfortunate case of a theft, I'll be able to retrieve my scooter from the thief. And if you have small kids, this is a great way to make sure they're not going too far from home. If you'd like to learn more about the LocTag LT1, check out the link below, and thanks for watching.